It's SPC. Okay, corrected. It should be Honorable Alhaji SPC. Corrected. Thank you. I, Honorable Alhaji S.B. Silla, having been elected as member of the National Assembly
of the
Republic of the Gambia, do hereby
swear
that I shall be faithful
and
bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia, as by law and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Amen. Honorable Alhaji H. So, Gimana constituency. Honorable Alhaji H. So. I, Honorable Alhaji H. So, having been elected
as
member of the National Assembly
of
the Republic of the
Gambia,
do hereby swear
that
I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia, as by law established. I shall execute the functions of member of the National Assembly without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Amen. This is right here. Honorable Demba Sow, Nyamina West. Honorable Demba Sow. I, Honorable Demba Sow, having been elected as member of the National Assembly of the Republic of the Gambia, do hereby swear that I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia, as by law established. I shall execute the functions of member of the National Assembly without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution of the Gambia and the other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Thank you. Honorable Seni Toure, Yara is consequence. I, Honorable Seni Toure, having been elected
having been elected
as member of the National Assembly
as member of the National Assembly
of the Republic of the Gambia,
do
hereby swear
that
I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance
to
to the Republic of the Gambia as by law established. I shall execute the functions of member of the National Assembly without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution Take the oath, please.
As member of the National Assembly
Of the Republic of the Gambia.
Do hereby swear.
That I shall be faithful. And bear true allegiance. To the Republic of the Gambia. As by law established. And I shall execute. The functions. Of member of the National Assembly. Without fear. Or favor. Affection. Or ill will. According to the Constitution. And other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Thank you. Honorable Usman Toure, Salat Sanya. I, Honorable Usman Toure, having been elected as member of the National Assembly
as a member of the National Assembly
of the Republic of the Gambia,
do hereby swear
that I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance
to the
Republic of the Gambia
as
by law established.
I shall execute
the functions
of member of the National Assembly
without fear or favor,
affection
or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Amen.
That's big, you know.
Honorable Suwaibu Toure willing is consequence.
I,
Honorable Suwaibu Toure, having been elected as member of the National Assembly of the Republic of the Gambia, do hereby swear that I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia as by law established. I shall execute the functions of member of the National Assembly without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Honorable Bile G. Tunkara, Kantora constituency. Honorable Bile G. Tunkara. I, Honorable Bile G. Tunkara,
Honorable Bile G. Tunkara,
having been elected
as member of the National Assembly
of the
Republic of the Gambia,
do hereby swear
that I shall be faithful
and
bear true allegiance
to the Republic of the Gambia, the functions
of member of the National Assembly
without fear
or favor,
according to the Constitution
and other laws of the Gambia.
and other laws of the
So
Gambia.
help me God.
So help me God.
Amen.
Amen.
I understand we made a mistake, I'm sorry.
I,
Billy G. Tunkara.
Honorable Bile G. Tunkara,
I, Honorable Billy G. Tunkara,
Honorable Bile G. Tunkara,
having been elected
member of the National Assembly
of the Republic of the Gambia,
do hereby swear
that I shall be faithful
and
bear true allegiance
allegiance
to the Republic of the Gambia,
as
by law established,
that I shall
execute
execute
the functions of member of the National Assembly
without fear
or favor,
affection
or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Amen. Thank you.
Yes, you now have Omar Sise again. He was not here. Honorable Omar Sise of Nyamina East.
I,
Honorable Omar Sise,
having been elected
as member of the National Assembly of the Republic of the Gambia, do hereby swear that I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia, as by law established, that I shall execute the functions of member of the National Assembly without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Amen.
It's 11.
11. One.
Honorable members, I would now wish to congratulate all of you for having been elected and duly sworn in as members of the National Assembly, representing your various constituencies, the nominated members who have also been duly sworn in as members of the National Assembly. I would like to take this opportunity to thank and congratulate the Clerk of the National Assembly and his staff for a well job done. Appreciate all your professional services and hope to enjoy more of it for the next 5 years. Now, may I now allow the clerk of this Honorable Assembly to proceed with the next item on the order paper. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker Ahmad. The next item on the order paper is the election of Majority Leader and Minority Leader of the National Assembly. You may now open the nomination.
Point of observation. Well, I believe the procedure is that we rise up, and if we are recognized, we speak. Yeah.
Please take your seat. That's how.
No?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, we didn't get that.
He's raising a point there.
Oh.
I said the procedure is I stand. If you recognize me, I speak. So essentially, the next item, elections of majority-minority leaders, the standing orders is very clear on definition of who is the leader of the party that has the second highest number of elected members in the assembly. I think this is where the dispute comes, and I believe that the clerk could inform us of this particular dispute, because I think 3 parties may have equal number of elected members. So in that case, how do we settle that becomes the fundamental issue.
Thank you, Honorable Member. But I think it is important for you to quote the relevant section for the benefit of all other members. I have seen it, but...
Yes, it's the interpretation, Standing Order 1. Standing Order number 1, page 1. Number of elected members in the National Assembly. So the party that has the highest number should actually indicate who its leader is, as far as the majority leader is concerned. And when it comes to definition of minority leader, it states means the member of in the assembly who is the leader of the party that has the second highest number of elected members in the assembly. I am saying that this is where the contention lies, because 3 parties could equally claim equal number of elected members in second position. So how do we settle that? It's an issue of procedure we need to debate on and settle. Thank you.
Very well. The clerk will respond to that accordingly. Thank you.
Yes. Honorable Ma, thank you. I do agree with the honorable member that the definitions of the majority leader and the minority leader are not in dispute. And accordingly, he is right that the majority leader should come from the party with the most seats in parliament. And the minority leader should come with the party with the second highest number of seats. If one or more parties have equal number of seats, it is therefore an issue for the whole assembly to elect a minority leader from any of those three parties, if they cannot agree to the consensus. Unless you have authority to the contrary, that is the position of the clerk. Thank you.
Well, we thank the clerk for helping to explain what is a lacuna in the standing orders. Because if you look at Standing Order 87, it has not actually prepared any procedure in terms of such a circumstance. So it means that we must go back to the Constitution and then see what to do. Section 106 of the Constitution states that except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, any matter proposed for decision in the National Assembly shall be determined by a majority of votes of members present and voting. So here we see, we seem to agree with him in terms of determination of any substance of procedure. Now, Section 108 actually states that subject to the provision of this Constitution, the National Assembly may regulate its own procedure, may make standing orders for the conduct of such proceedings. So here then we have to fill this lacuna in the standing orders to actually take cognizance of this particular gap which now exists. And I'm sure the Standing Order Committee will work on that. But what do we do under the present circumstance? Well, I believe that a motion ought to be made by anybody and then seconded, and we debate on the motion, and if that motion is carried by the majority, that becomes the standing principle to be able to determine the minority leader. So I believe that the floor should be open for actually a motion on how to deal with this particular problem. If we agree, then that will be incorporated in the standing orders ultimately as a way to handle such problem. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, with due respect to the concerns of the right honorable member, we are not amending the standing order, and there is nothing in doubt that we cannot resolve from the elections on the floor. It is clear that three parties have equal number of seats, and any of those three parties can freely make nominations for a minority leader, and it is left the whole house to elect any one of those nominations. And we solve the matter. We don't need to rewrite the standing orders. It is not an issue of standing order.
Madam Speaker, that's not what I'm saying.
Sorry.
If you allow me.
So I just want to complete another authority. Can I defy right honorable member? Can I defy you to standing order 87? Page 42, 2. And it says, if any doubt arises as to who is or was at any time, material time, the majority leader or the minority leader, the question shall be decided by the Honorable Speaker in his discretion, and this decision, certified in writing under his hand, shall be final and conclusive. So we have no problem that we cannot solve. So we are only giving her the option that everybody participate in the election of a majority leader and the minority leader. And if you have anybody in mind, you nominate him or her. We have no objection.
Madam Speaker, we seem to be jumping and not addressing the immediate issue, that is the election of the majority leader, before discussing about this. This should be the second point.
Yes.
I think we should consider first the case of the majority leader before we come to this point. If it is an issue of contention, we can resolve that after. Thank you very much.
Honorable Ma, can we make progress?
Right.
Could I make one last statement, please? I think you are dealing with issue of procedure.
Okay.
I don't think there is any contention. I am saying a motion should be made. Isn't that the way to pass anything in this National Assembly? I'm sure the clerk will guide us that a motion needs to be made by any member on this particular subject. That's simply what I'm saying.
That is your entitlement and any other member's entitlement to move any motion at any point in time. But as he rightly said, the material time for the election of a minority leader, you can move that motion and the House will consider it. It is left to the House to proceed or reject the motion and proceed otherwise. I have no objection, sir.
Madam Speaker, may I move that we consider the election of the majority leader?
Majority leader.
And I rise to nominate Honorable K. Barrow for the position of the majority leader.
Sorry, we are not there yet. He's moving a motion that we start with the majority leader. And it should be seconded. Then we proceed from there. Yes.
I, Sekuwa Jaju, the member for Busumbala constituency, seconded the motion for Honorable Kiba Barrow as majority leader.
No, we are not nominating.
Order, please. Order. Please. Honorable members.
They are new members. You can understand. Please. We are all civilians. They don't know the difference.
Can I?
Why? Honorable members, Clause 87.1 of the Standing Orders of the National Assembly reads as follows: there shall be in the Assembly a majority and minority leader. Therefore, in pursuance of the aforesaid clause of the Standing Orders, I now call for the nomination of the majority leader from among the members of the party that forms the majority in this Assembly.
I rise to nominate K. Barrow for the position of majority leader.
I, Suleiman Sao of Central Baribu, seconded his nomination, the nomination of Keba. I, Suleiman Sao of Central Baribu, seconded the nomination of Keba Kebaro of Combo South constituency.
Point of clarification. Point of clarification.
As a matter of proper procedure,
yes,
I think permission ought to be sought before anybody takes the floor. You know, we were dealing with the election or nomination for the minority leader.
For the majority.
Sorry, for the majority leader from amongst members of the party that forms the majority in this assembly. Can we proceed with that, please?
Yes, thank you.
Any nominations?
Yes. Madam Speaker,
it's point of clarification, madam.
Yes, sorry, yes, go ahead.
We've seen the interpretation. It is saying that the leader of the party which has the majority of seats.
Yes.
So what is the election about? All of us are going to vote for that person, or are we going to leave the party with the majority of seats to determine its leader in the,
yes.
in the National Assembly?
The party with
please
the
clarify.
The last question is answered.
Yes. The whole House will participate. Silence, please. Can we have order, please? Yes, nomination.
Madam Speaker, my observation with regards to his question regards the...
Sorry, I'm not asking for observation. Nominations. Nominations for the majority leader.
Honorable sir, can you please take your seat?
Please take your seat.
We have one nomination so far.
Any further nominations?
Yes.
Birkama Sao?
Yes.
Can you use your mic, Birkama Sao?
Yes, I, Lamin J. Sane, nominated Alhaji S. Dabo as the majority leader.
Alhaji S. Dabo.
Any second?
Can you second me? First. Yes, Mr. Yes, honorable member.
I'm Honorable Alhaji S. Dabo. I've just been nominated by a colleague for the position of the majority leader. I just sincerely want to withdraw my nomination.
Thank you. Any further nominations? No. It has been moved and seconded that Honorable Keba K. Barrow be elected as majority leader of the National Assembly. Those in favor say aye. Those not in favor say no. The ayes have it.
We now move to the election of minority leader.
Same procedure. Can any honorable member move that members of the three parties that have equal number of seats in this National Assembly be elected as the minority leader? Can we have nominations, please? Sabasanjal?
Yes, I, Honorable Usman Toure,
Can you stand up, please?
I, Honorable Usman Toure, member for Sabasanjal, want to move the nomination of Honorable Samba Jallo, member for Nyamena Dankunku, as minority leader.
Honorable Samba. Any second? Upper Salu.
Yes.
Observation, yes. Basse.
I think he's not nominating. He's moving the motion.
Sorry, can you use your mic?
I think he's not nominating, but he's moving the motion for the nomination to happen between the three political parties.
Yes.
We have indicated that the minority leader will come from the three parties that have equal number of seats in this National Assembly, and they are NRP, APRC, and GDC. So the minority leader must come from one of them. We are asking for nominations. Please, let's proceed. Upper Salum had asked for the floor.
Yes. I, Alajimbo, is on. I want to second the motion for the minority leader for Samba Jallo.
You are?
Sorry, I will see. Huh?
I now call the chairman of the IT to conduct elections between the
let me have the names. Since there are 2 nominations,
no, it's not exhausted.
I wish to. Yes?
I rise to nominate Mr. Sunkar Baji for your benefit as the minority leader.
You are?
Mumoru Kamara for your binta.
Sunkar Baji. Any second, man?
Any second.
Any second?
Any second? Can you stand up, please?
I, Honorable Alhaji.
No, the other gentleman. Nyamina East.
Yes, I, Honorable Omar Sise, I am nominating.
No, we are asking for second.
Somebody is nominated. Yeah. Seconded first. The second there. Keba Jallo.
Foni Jaro, please sit down.
Yes, I am seconding the nomination of Honorable Nyasi of Fonyi Prefect.
No,
it was not Nyasi.
Or the Baji of Fonyi Prefect.
Sunkari Baji.
Sunkari Baji.
He was already seconded. Second, yes.
So you want to make nomination?
Any further nominations? Do I take it that we have 3 candidates for the minority leader?
Yes.
Now, as per the Constitution, was it the standing orders?
No.
I would like to call the
Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker. We are being co-opted to conduct these elections. And what we plan to do now, because we are mandated by law to do that of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker, but you also have the right to co-opt us to do this one. That's the base on which we are doing it. We will now have to prepare ballot papers here, and each of the honorable members, including those nominated, will have to come and write the name of the candidate that they are voting for. There are 3 candidates here representing the NRP, GDC, and APRC. It's open here, but again, it can only be done secretly in the ballot box. So on that note, once they are ready, we'll ask the honorable members, we'll call their names just in alphabetical order for them to come and cast their vote. Thank you. Just give us a while.
Yes.
Madam Speaker, sir, if I just may...
Madam Speaker.
Very well, go ahead.
Yeah, can you just clarify to the public the people that are eligible to vote, please?
Mic is not on.
I just need you to clarify to the public, to us all, the people that are eligible to vote, please.
I'll
Is it
leave
just
that
the members of
clarification
the
with
three
the
parties, or is it the...
All honorable members present here
Thank you.
are entitled to vote. And you will be given a ballot paper and you write one candidate's name and put it in the box. They will count. The winner will be the minority.
Thank you for the clarification.
Everybody should have a vote.
Mr. Clerk, sir, if I may just ask for a clarification. I would like to know the nominated members for minority leader. Can we please have clarification as to which party each one of them is representing to assist in the voting decision, please?
Yes, the Honorable Samba Jallo is for NRP.
Okay.
Honorable Keba Jallo is for GDC. Honorable Sunkar Baji is APRC.
Thank you.
And may I please repeat for the information of honorable members once again. The candidates for the minority leader of the National Assembly are Honorable Samba Jallo of Nyamina Dankunku, NRP. Honorable Keba Jallo of Nyamina West, GDC. Jara West. Jara Central, GDC. Honorable Sunkar Baji of Foyi Berefet, APRC. These are the three candidates. And all honorable members present here are entitled to a ballot paper, and you will write only one name on the ballot paper and put it in the box. At the end of the exercise, the IEC people will count the number for each cast for each member and inform the clerk to announce the results.
Now, the total number of votes that will be cast is 58. And this includes all elected members and the 5 nominated members. We'll call them in alphabetical order, let them come and write their choice and drop it in the ballot box. At the end, we'll count, and in counting, we'll have to show the choice of the candidate, of the member.
Should be 57 rather than 58
Member
because the
for
Speaker...
Serakuda, can we allow the IEC to finish the proceedings, please?
This is a
or clarification. Yes.
of clarification. I am saying that the Speaker is part of the nominated members, but is not a voting member. So it means that you have 57 rather than 58.
Oh.
That's the clarification I'm making.
Thank you for the clarification.
That's the law. If that's the law, we'll abide by that. So remove one.
Yes.
So that's 57. Okay. Sunkaru Baji, Honorable Sunkaru Baji, phone the prefect, please.
Write it here. You are alone there. Khalifa, move, please.
Honorable Keba Baro, Combo South. Honorable Mamadou Kamara, Fonyi Bintang. Honorable Amadou Kamara Nyanija. Honorable Lamin F.L. Konta. Honorable Bakari Kamara. Honorable Abdullah Sisi. Honorable Fakeba Enel Kuli. Honorable Madi M.K. Sise. Honorable Momodou Sise. Honorable Omar Sise. Honorable Al-Husseini Y. Sise. Honorable Alaji S. Damo. Honorable Alaji Damo. Honorable Ode Drame. Al-Hadi Drame. Honorable Al-Hadi Drame. Honorable Kajali Fofana.
Samba Diallo,